It was about 90 degrees about 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. There's our elevator motor room, very important room. The air conditioner has to be running all the time.